Okay, so that cloning process completed. You can see all of the output here. Um, the number of packages, the number of files. You see it's quite a bit. That's why it takes so long. And nicely, Conda prints out how to start the process. And so to enter our cloned environment, we just copy and paste this command. And you can see now it takes on the installation that we took, name and the name of the path. And so that's added to your command line so you can keep track of which environment you're in. So now if I do which Python, you can see that the Python is coming from my test clone environment. And to exit this environment, you can do conda deactivate. Now, again, if you are using a cloned environment for running a job on Polaris, you would want to include those steps. So you module load conda, conda activate, and I think you can actually skip the conda activate base and go directly to conda activate with this environment. Then once you're in the environment, you can do things like conda install to install Python packages, or you can do pip install for a package. And keep in mind that that is now being installed in this directory's environment. So in this case, in Eagle data science parton test clone and then lib. So that's where all those packages would live. Obviously, you have read-write access to your own project space, so you would have access to those and you can uninstall them and reinstall them and so on, change the versions, which is one of the benefits of using a sub-environment of these. But at the same time, you get all those libraries for MPI and the machine learning frameworks that are necessary for using Polaris. So that's how you would use Python on Polaris with Conda.